everyone, welcome to my not so spooky, colorful Halloween clean and decorate video. I have got a table full of decorations and we are going to be bringing in a dash of whimsy to our kitchen, living room, and the outside porch. So grab your pumpkins and your favorite spooky tunes and let's get decorating. When decorating my home, I like to have a few key spots where I tend to change out my decor for the season. This sofa table is one of those spots. With everything clean and ready to go, I decided to prep all the decor that needed some of that extra prep work. I have a couple tablecloths and pillow covers that needed to be ironed. And what would Halloween be without a little bit of nostalgia? That is where these Hocus Pocus themed pillowcases come into play. I found these as a set of 4 on Amazon and they're linked below in the description. Now let's fly over to the console table and begin decorating. I really like this black and white table runner. It's the perfect backdrop for displaying your Halloween decorations. I got these plastic bats from Amazon. They come in different shapes and sizes, and I used a painter's tape to tape them to my wall to make sure that it wouldn't peel off any paint. You're gonna see these pink and white pumpkins scattered throughout my video. I really love them because I can use them in multiple areas. I'm kind of obsessed with this photo of Frankenstein blowing a pink bubble because it's both spooky and smile-inducing. I'm also a big fan of this coffin-shaped letterboard so that I could put spooky or whimsical messages. And if you're looking to spark some conversation, then this cute candle with a skeleton bathing in it is the perfect piece. Another hack that I've seen and really adore are putting these plastic bats in your lampshades. That way when you turn the light off, then it creates a really spooky ambiance. Because we're a homeschool and a reading family, I didn't have much choice for my bookshelf, but I did decide to add just a few pieces of decor throughout. If you're new here, my name is Sarah and I'm a homeschool stay-at-home mom, and I enjoy changing spaces through design, woodworking, and decorating. If those are things that you're interested in, then I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. If you're looking for a simple yet spooky centerpiece to your table, then going with candles, string lights, or lanterns can create a hauntingly beautiful ambiance, and you just can't go wrong. Lighting is a great way to create an eerie vibe, which is why I love these black LED candlesticks. I got these glittered spiders from Walmart and I love them, and I ended up using them in the other spots of my decor as well. Now we can't finish the kitchen until we at least do a treat corner for all of our favorite Halloween delights. I love using decorative plates to display treats because even when all your munchkins eat all those treats, you still got a really cute, spooky display hanging in the corner. Everyone's got a Halloween bowl, and here is mine. Nothing makes good old Drac here happier than a belly full of treats. This is my first year decorating our outside porch, so you're gonna have to let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I did decide to finally buy one of those skeletons to put outside on my bench, but we all love Mr. Bonesy. For the faux spiders and the witches' hats that I displayed on my porch, I did end up just using command strips from Walmart and then wrapping them in string and hanging them that way. Again, I highly recommend these bats just because they can be used everywhere. While my outdoor mats don't scream Halloween, I do think that they go along with my whimsical vibe, and I love that I can also use them in the spring. I took all of the rest of my pumpkins and created a little pastel pumpkin patch. This skeleton sign that my husband is putting up is by far my favorite Halloween decoration. I created it a long time ago and I get nothing but compliments. Here's what the porch looks like at night, and then here's what I look like when I'm trying to be cool. There you have it, folks. A sprinkle of magic, a dash of whimsy, and we've created a kid-friendly Halloween wonderland. I hope you enjoyed decorating with me today, and if you found any inspiration or have your own decorating tips, please share them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative decorating ideas. Happy Halloween and stay enchanted!